Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I have your forecast for this Saturday, of course, the whole weekend and into the next several days of the upcoming week. And let there be light. And there was light, yes. The days are getting longer. We start with February 3rd being today, 10 hours and 5 minutes long. And in 21 days, we can add 55 more minutes onto that. By February 24th, the amount of daylight is up to 11 hours. And then we get to March 17th, the amount of daylight is up to 12 hours. And on that day, on March 17th, the sun will be setting at 6:53 in the evening because daylight saving time returns on Sunday, March 11th. Well, it's a cold day in Minneapolis, but actually it was warmer there this morning than it was in Boston when the temperature got down to about 10 in Boston, but it was in the mid-teens in Minneapolis. It was cloudy sky, so kept it a bit milder, and a little bit of off and on light snow is anticipated in Minneapolis today with maybe a couple of inches of snow possible. But once that system moves by Minneapolis and the Twin Cities area, it's going to turn much colder as it draws more cold air down from Canada. Consequently, the high tomorrow will be about 7 in the afternoon with a few passing clouds. Boston's low again was 10 this morning, so it's a frigid start to the day. The average low for this date is 23, so we're way below that, of course, and but we're not quite down to the record, which was 5 below zero set back in 1881. So we're not quite down there, and we're going to end up being warmer this afternoon in Boston than Minneapolis should be going up to about 28 here, thanks to all the bright sunshine which we will have, with just a few patches of clouds here and there during the afternoon hours. Nationally, there is a lot of mild weather across the country. You can see that, except right near the border states here, and some of that mild air is going to be heading right into New England coming up for tomorrow. This high-pressure center will move off to the southeast, and the flow around that high will drive the mild air right up into our region during tomorrow. So after today's temperatures, which will be going up to about 26 to 28 this afternoon, a few patches of clouds. The temperatures will fall down not much lower than 20 to 25 for lows tonight. As we have snow breaking out across the northern mountains, there should not be anything here. First thing tomorrow morning, the warm-up will have commenced and will already be up in the lower 30s. And that will lead to some scattered showers developing later tomorrow morning. Looks like the most rain during the day will be over southeastern New England, not that much farther inland. And if that's the case, that's not going to be much snow developing here because it would be probably cold enough for some wet snow, but it may not materialize too much until late in the day. So this first batch of rain moves on out, this first axis during the afternoon, and then the more important axis comes up from the southwest during the afternoon with all the heavy rain. Note we're going to be mainly in the mid-40s tomorrow afternoon, and then that moves on out. We have clearing coming up. It'll be long gone. It'll be all cleared up by Monday morning, and it's not going to be a freeze, although as the temperatures fall, there could be some icy patches early on Monday. Snowfall potential would be across northwestern New England, where there might be as much as 3 to 6 inches in some of the mountainous areas there, ranging down to nothing more than a coating to possibly an inch in northwestern Worcester County up to about the Concord, New Hampshire area for tomorrow. That storm that we get later tomorrow will be moving offshore first thing Monday morning. That's why I think it's going to be all cleared up by Monday morning. Tuesday, some clouds roll in, just a slight chance of a snow flurry, but it's this next system which will be moving along from the southwest, and its shield of snow will fan out and spread up into New England on Wednesday morning. It looks like near and north of the Mass Pike we may get a few inches of snow before it does transition to rain and the warm air comes up. So the afternoon high on Wednesday should be in the low middle 30s, then rising late in the afternoon and the evening into the 40s and a change over to rain. But before that happens, it may be staying cold enough long enough for a few inches of snow. A little too early to be really confident about that just yet, but that's the way it is trending at this point. So that's your forecast for the weekend of a mild day tomorrow, back to sunshine 40 and rather windy on Monday. You can watch WBZ News this evening, and you can see it at 6 o'clock and also 11 o'clock. You can also watch it at 8 o'clock on My TV 38, the latest AccuWeather details.